Today's Sunday. We're heading out to go fishing. We didn't do so well last weekend, but hopefully today we do much better. We're going for trout, maybe some other stuff, but we'll see. There are a lot of bugs. I got a lot of lint on me, but that's fine. These are my fishing gears. We got a lot more stuff in the car, but we're gonna go get breakfast first before we head on our journey. So we're at our favorite breakfast spot in New Jersey. It is Hamburg Hot Bagel, voted the best bagel shop in Sussex County, and it really is. So yeah. Can I have a sausage, egg, and cheese on a butter toasted croissant, salt, pepper? Yeah, and can I have a sausage, egg, and cheese, lettuce, and tomato on a toasted butter roll, please? Yeah, salt, pepper, ketchup on a toasted butter roll. All right. Yeah, he knows it's toasted. No, that's it. Thank you. Let me tell you guys, this place is always busy. The customer service is out of this world. Oh, that was funny. I have a little friend. He's okay with it being on social media, so yeah. But what I was saying is, like, the customer service here is out of this world. The owner is really sweet, his staff is really great, and the food is good. It's always fresh. It is always like, okay, so yeah. If you guys are ever in Sussex County, make sure you visit Hamburg Hot Bagel. Okay, so this is my fit for the day. I got my hiking pants, my hiking boots. I absolutely love them. They're so durable. And I got my sweater, filled with lint, and I'm ready for the day. Breakfast and we're out of here. Let's go fishing. Food. Oh, this one's heavy. You got a stupid croissant.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Thanks. Here you go. Disposable like you.
It's probably mine because I got sausage. Yeah. So this is my breakfast.
Oh god.
This is. Oh, that's so good. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Sausage, egg, and cheese and a toasted butter roll, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, salt, and pepper. To die for. If y'all don't do this, you have no idea what you're missing out on. You gotta do this. Yummy. They took that croissant really good. That is, oh my god, this is so good. Y'all better make sure you do this next time you order sausage, egg, and cheese. Okay? Go! Salt, pepper, ketchup. That's my husband in the back. Lettuce, tomato. Yeah, make sure you guys do this. It is the best breakfast sandwich I've ever had. Ever since I started doing my sandwiches like this for breakfast, perfect. Perfection every single time. Yeah, it's so good. I'm gonna go stuff my face. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Our first stop is Upper Delaware in New York, so let's go.
I forgot we can't.
We got it again, so we're just gonna be doing a little bit of scouting to see where we want to fish. It is so beautiful, so peaceful, so lush, because we just had that heavy rain. Oh yeah, so this is where we are. Wow. Yeah. Oh wow, that's
yeah. A whole 100 feet. Oh, this way out to the middle. I love that cliff face on the other side.
Yeah. So we're done scouting to see where we're gonna be fishing. So we're ready. We're going back to the car to grab our gears, and yeah, let's get this going. The best part about this too, there are no bugs. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna get my gear, get ready. I'm gonna have my outfit on for fishing, my hiking boots, my net. So let me go get all that, okay? These are my waders. This is what I'm gonna be putting on today.
So you don't want to sit down and do that?
Yep. Okay.
You have your cleats on too. They're pretty thin guys, they're luck so those boots will be a bit heavier, but hopefully these cleats aren't too big.
I know I'm gonna do this.
You don't have to put it on.
So these are my cleats. My husband's gonna put it on for me.
You don't go above your knees if you're alright.
This is my Panther Martin spinner. It's gonna create a lot more vibration, so let's give this one a try. We stopped because we heard this waterfall, so we wanted to go check it out. My ears all sticking out, looking for like Einstein. Wow. I'm gonna go over there. Record me.
Be careful, babe, be careful. like they're always so small. I don't understand. Huge river. These are like average size. I don't get that. Where's yours from? Yeah, right,